How to use Nolo online legal kits properly. Beginner mistake that cost you. Nolo's online legal kits are a convenient way to create wills, contracts, and business forms, but beginners often make mistakes that can lead to incomplete or invalid documents. The first mistake is not selecting the right kit. Nolo offers kits for different purposes: estate planning, business formation, family law, and more. Choosing the wrong kit can leave critical areas unaddressed. Another common error is skipping the step-by-step guidance. Each kit includes instructions and explanations for a reason. Skipping them increases the risk of errors like missed clauses or incorrect legal language. Many users fail to personalize details fully. Leaving placeholders or generic language can result in confusion or unenforceable terms. Fill in names, dates, and assets accurately. Neglecting to follow execution rules is another pitfall. Certain documents require notarization, witnesses, or specific state-compliant wording. Ignoring these steps can invalidate the document. Finally, some assume once completed, the kit needs no updates. Life changes, marriage, divorce, new business assets require updating your documents to remain effective. To use Nolo online legal kits properly, select the right kit, follow step-by-step instructions, personalize every detail, execute according to legal requirements, and update as circumstances change. Avoid these mistakes, and your documents will serve their intended purpose effectively.